Your dolls decided to throw a Halloween party. How to help them? Watch it in our today video. Double Bubble got a serious task for today. Each doll needs a new image. One wants to be a terrible mermaid, and another one wants a pumpkin costume. So what should I start from? For the magical mermaid, I need a fake LOL doll. First of all, I remove her legs, so that to get the body for the tail. Now I need a plastic wire and many paper clips. Make a butterfly from the first clip. It will be the base for the tail. And fold the following clips into such eyelets. And now put them right on the wire. I got 5 pins like this. And up here attach the butterfly. Now insert this tail down here and glue it. Now take a piece of polymer clay and divide it into 2 parts. Form the first bow into a fin and form ribs with a special stick here. Now attach both fins to the tail and cover the whole wire with polymer clay all over the bone. And after the tail gets dry, it's necessary to pre-coat it, as the paint will be better applied on the coat. Let's color the fin into 2 colors. For the beginning, apply a thick coat of violet paint, and to make tail iridescent, let's add some pink color. And the shorts will be decorated with shimmer. Glittery glue can make it perfectly. And up here, add some shimmer and decorate the tail with the golden one. I draw stripes along the ribs and some golden color on top here. Well, the whole body is all painted now. We only need to make a beautiful hairdo. For the mermaid hair, I need a cauldron, 2 locks from the base and 2 from tips. Join them together and tie with a thread in the middle here. This way we get a cute hair falsie, and stick it on the 2-sided tape on the doll's head. This way we get a gorgeous long hair for LOL mermaid. We only need to join the body with the head, and the great mermaid look is ready. What kind of Halloween without a witch? Why is going to fly on a broomstick and steal all sweets? Let's put traps, so that to get the cutest witchy. For this life hack, I need tape and a box from Play-Doh. On a piece of black glittery foam around, leave marks from the tape and the plasticine box contour inside it. Now cut it out on the contour and of course remove its middle. Now I take a piece of any thick fabric and cut out an even triangle from it. Now fold it inside out and draw a triangle with rounded end parts. Now sew it on the drawn contour and cut out on the sewn line. The same as down here. Now turn our thin right side out and make several cuts on the edge of our pointed head. 2 cuts are meant to be glued to the headband. It should look this way. Now cut out a long stripe from violet foam around and a square from silver one meant to be a nice buckle. Now glue the silver buckle on the belt and fix it right on the head. Ta-da! And the magic witch hat is ready! But for the whole beauty look we need a coat too. On any remaining piece of fabric, draw the contour of collar and cut out a beautiful semicircle. Now take fabric meant for a coat and fold it in half. And draw a half of the collar on it and cut out its tip. Now attach the collar to the coat and with the use of awl, put threads into it and put this magic star coat right on the girl. And now it's possible to tie it in front here and put on the glittery hat up here. And the stylish witch costume for your doll is ready. And you can make this funny Halloween costume only in several minutes. For the witch transport, I need a rope and the usual stick. I fold the rope several times and tie it in the middle here. Now fold it again and tie a bit below the middle. Now take the stick and glue it from up here and cut all tips in half and cut them even on edges. And the comfortable witch broomstick is ready! Now she can fly on it all over the neighborhood. For this life hack we need an orange sheet felt. Fold it in half and draw a pumpkin on it. Now cut it out. This way we get a front and back parts. And now cut out a white stripe from this sheet felt and join 2 parts of the pumpkin with it. And it should be this soft base for the bag. On black foam around, draw the eyes, mouth and nose of the pumpkin. Now cut them out and attach on the front part of the bag. And I draw lines with golden glitter. And the handles can be made from golden tie. I attach them back here and in front here. And the magical Halloween bag is ready. But is it supposed to be empty? No, it should be filled with sweets. And I print the pictures of sweets for that. I cut out each of them and cut several small squares from foam around It's very comfortable to put them inside so that sweets would keep their shape, and glue its sides here. And to make it look natural, make cuts on the edges. Wow, so many yummy sweets I got here! Now fill the pumpkin with them. And this Halloween no one will be left without any chocolate. Which treats should I prepare for the party? Frankenstein likes slime, while zombies prefer brains. I hope they will like this mix. In order to make the witch kettle, I need a pearly bowl and toothpicks. I make legs for the kettle from toothpicks. I need a half of the bowl and glue the legs down here. It should look like this simple fixed construction. And make kettle handles from a paper clip. Unfold it and make wide arches. And cut out all unnecessary parts. Now attach the handles from both sides. We made the kettle and now need to paint it. In order to fill the kettle, I need some slime. Its color is a bit too raw, with some pink tint. That's why I add some green paint. Yes, now it resembles goo. Quite another thing. Now put it into the kettle. Beside this goo, there will be ice in the kettle. I make them from white plasticine. At first, roll it into small balls and attach green pupil on it. Wow, it's a real eye, and you can draw red vessels on them. Now put them into the kettle, and the magical kettle with witchy potion is ready. It's a wonderful accessory for Halloween party. On a black piece of paper, draw bat wings with pointed tips, and now cut them out. And draw the contour on glitter and foam. And now glue them between each other. For the body, I need a fluffy wire. Roll it into a small tight ball and attach the pre-made body right on the wings. And attach two googly eyes on the face. Wrap colorful wire around the doll's head like a headband. And attach the fluffy bat on it. And the fluffy Halloween headband is ready. And you can make such thing too. Let's take a balloon first and cut out its upper part. And this part is perfect for the doll's top. And cut out the upper part of folded inside. Now take a box from French fries. And down here measure the doll's legs contour. Now cut out these semicircles on the contour. And insert our girly into it. And the French fries can be perfectly made from yellow paper. Fold it several times to get a square. And glue the edges here. And make as many blocks as possible. And insert the whole bunch of fries into the Barbie's costume. And the funniest Halloween costume for Barbie is ready! And you can make it too and surprise all your friends! Put a like and subscribe to our channel!